friends, how are you today? I have another fun math activity for you, which is a counting activity. I know how good you are in counting, and I know how great you used to count in our circle time when we were doing calendar, and you were just great in counting. But I just want to make sure that you practice as much as you can because counting is very important in our normal um, routine. Like every day we count and we don't think about it, but we do lots of counting every day. Just want to make sure that you practice that. So let's count first with our fingers, see how many fingers we have in our hands. And then I know how great you are, but just want to just a perfect example of what we're going to do. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know some of you can count more than number 10, but this is just our example that counting needs lots of concentration. We think and we do it one at a time. We don't count fast. We do like, we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you followed my direction, I started from left to right, and then I tap my finger and I counted and I called the number. So this is very important when we are counting. Here I have numbers from number 1 all the way to number 18. You can cut little square or any kind of shape you want, and you can ask your parent or yourself to write down the numbers, and then you can start an activity with it. You can have as many numbers as you want, so you can practice anytime you want to. So I'm just gonna put all this together. I'm just gonna make sure the color are mixed. This is the fun part begin because it's not gonna be all gonna be mixed up. And I don't know where my the numbers are really. So I have to look for my numbers. So I'm just gonna start from number 1 all the way to number 18. But this is mixed. I have to look for it. Okay, friends? So this is, let me bring it a little bit closer so you can see. These are all my numbers. Start from number 1 all the way to 18. Okay. First, I need to find number 1. I'm going to go all the way and check to see where my number 1 is. This is number 1. Here it is. Let me, okay. Get here so y'all can see. This is fun. Okay. And then look for number 2. Here, I found it. Number 3. Here, see? You have to look very closely to find them. And then number 4 is here. Okay. And then 5. And then numbers, what comes after 5? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number 6 is after 5. Here it is. I'm just gonna go here. And after 6 is 7. Let's count number 7. I'm just going to put it down here because if I put it over there and this side, you won't see it. And then after 7 is 8. Oh, here. This is number 8. And then what comes after 8, my friends? 9. And let's find number 10. See, I really couldn't find it. It needs lots of concentration. You don't have to look anywhere else except here. So you can, oh, this is 15. See, I'm wrong. I need to find, oh, here it is. See, you have to think, my friends, is you can look on the other side and find your number. You have to look for it. This is the fun part, because if we don't look at it, we won't find it. So see, you got me. Number 10. What comes after number 10? It's 11. 11 is right here. What comes after number 11? 11 is 12. Here it is. See, we need lots of thinking and concentration. After number 12 is 13. Then is 14. When it comes to this little much small amount of squares, it makes it much easier to find, because we don't have to look a lot to search the number. 14 is 15, and then is 16, and then is 17, and it's 18. This is like a little puzzle, guys, you can make for yourself. You can have as much as number you want, and see, they're different colors, so it's very fun to make this, you all. It's just, I think it's just a perfect activity for you to do it. First of all, you will practice your numbers, which is very important. Second of all is you have to think. You can't look different places. You have to look and find and search your number. And if you don't remember the number, you always can use your fingers and count. And it's very simple. You always have an example for yourself. Always count, and then you can do this fun activity anytime you want to. I hope you enjoy this. Have a great day.